Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you locate settings on your smart TV. Click on settings icon. So when you click on settings, next thing you want to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down and make sure you get to apps. Click on apps. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on see all apps. Here you go. Then you scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down and click on show systems app. So here we go. So we have all system apps right here. So from system apps, this is where you get to Play Store. So go ahead and continue until you get to Play Store. Continue like so. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. So here we go. You have your Google Play Store right here. So go ahead and click on it and it takes you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on OK. Then your Play Store is going to load up just like what you see right here. Now you have full access to Google Play Store in your smart TV. It's that simple. So from here, you can download, uninstall, or refresh or update any apps right here on your smart TV in Google Play Store. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to access your Play Store in your smart TV. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your smart TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.